I'm not just here to play the victim card. No, I'm here to actually do something because I am done waiting for someone to save us. I'm done shrinking myself just to fit into a system that was never built for us. I am done learning their ways. They refuse to learn ours. No, I'm not here to be the next stat. I am here to be the next start of something better. So to the ones sitting in their big fancy rooms, we are not welcome in. Do not clap for me if you will not change for me. Do not say kia kaha if you will not make space. Do not say Māori are thriving, we are barely surviving. Titiro mai, wakarongo mai ko kiri. Look at me, listen to me, and what should I do next? Because I'm going to speak even if my voice shakes. I'm going to stand even when it's hard. I'm going to carry the ingoa, mamai, and tūmanako of every Māori who the system has failed. Not because I am special, but because I am Māori.